Hi there, my name's Gill Meller and welcome to Learning with Experts, River Cottage on Fire. I want to enthuse you about new techniques and new approaches to cooking over fire. We're going to be talking about where to set your fire, how to build it, what fuel to use, how to get it going, and then how to cook over it. And that's what you want, a little bit of colour. It all equals flavour. I want to show you how versatile the simplest campfire can be and what you can really do over it. And believe me, it's quite a lot. A dish like this, you'll remember it for weeks, if not months and years. The second session is all about the wood oven. You can do so many different things. We're going to be cooking fish, pizzas, lamb, low and slow, but all with that river cottage style. The third session is all about the earth oven. All the food's piled into the ground with hot stones. It's covered up and left for several hours. I'm going to lift it out of the pit and you're going to see what all the fuss is about. I'm going to show you how to do it with confidence and how to impress your mates. The fourth session is all about cooking in the embers. You can achieve all sorts of amazing flavours. Forget pans, forget grills. It's all about cooking dirty. This course is designed for anyone who wants to step out of the conventional modern day kitchen and reconnect with nature, to step out, feel the sun on your back, feel the grass under your feet, light a fire, cook something good to eat over it. I'm really looking forward to engaging with all the guys who sign on to these courses. It's going to be fantastic to see how they progress, to hear their feedback, and really to share in their successes. We need to switch off from the digital era and tune in to something far more primal and far more mindful. And the more we do it, I think the healthier it is for us.